Hey everyone, I am in the library looking for something good to read. I have my shelf marker and I'm all ready to take a look. Hey, look at this. I see some Pete the Cat books. Hmm, I'm sticking my shelf marker in. I'm going to pull one out, Pete the Cat and the Lost Tooth. Ooh, that looks good. But I think I want to get a bigger book, a picture book. So I'm going to put this back. Notice how my shelf marker's in right here. I'm going to slide my book right back in. And oh, look, we've got Pete the Cat and the Perfect Pizza Party. I think I will get this. If you want to find Pete the Cat books, please look in the Everybody section. D for Dean, the last name of the author. Happy reading. I'm so excited.